In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw crypto from BingX directly to your bank account. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and stress-free transaction. Let's jump right in. We'll start by opening up the BingX platform. You can do this by heading over to their official website or using the mobile app if that's what you prefer. Once you've logged into your account, the first step in this process is converting your cryptocurrency to fiat currency. This is an essential step since most traditional banks deal with fiat currencies rather than cryptocurrencies. To begin the conversion, navigate to the Assets section of your account. Here, you will find a wide range of options regarding your current holdings. Now, you'll want to direct your focus specifically towards the Fund Account option. Clicking on this will provide you with further selections. Among them, you'll see the option labeled Convert. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the part of the platform where you can actually perform the conversion. You'll want to look for something that says Convert Fiat. This step is where you'll choose the specific cryptocurrency you'd like to convert, as well as the fiat currency you want to receive in exchange. It's crucial to double check the type and amount before confirming, as any mistakes here could delay the process. With your cryptocurrency now converted into fiat, you're halfway there. What remains is transferring these funds into your bank account. Back in the Assets section, navigate to the Withdraw option and select Fiat Withdrawal. This process is very similar whether you're on the web or using the app. However, in the app, you might find the option directly on the conversion page or again under Assets. Next, select the fiat currency you've just converted to. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and choose your preferred withdrawal method. This typically involves inputting your bank account details, such as your account number, SWIFT to BIC code, and depending on your region, possibly some additional personal information. Make sure all this data is accurate to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. If your account hasn't been verified yet, you'll likely need to complete some identity verification steps. This is a standard process to ensure security and regulatory compliance. Once all the necessary information has been provided and confirmed, proceed to finalize the transaction. Your fiat currency should now be on its way to your bank account, marking the successful completion of your crypto to bank transfer. Congratulations! I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, patience and accuracy are key to avoiding any issues throughout this transaction. If you have any further questions or if anything requires clarification, be sure to reach out through the platform's support channels. Thank you for watching and happy trading.